What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another review video. I've already unboxed it and have been using it for the last 2 weeks, but this product is amazing, especially for what I do, sore muscles, the gym, kickboxing, boxing classes. I come home beat up, and without further ado, we're just gonna jump straight on into this video. These are getting so popular, and these are massagers, but high intensity. This is not your child's little soft massager. This thing thumps, and this thing really relieves my sore muscles, especially after the gym. I've been working out tennis elbow. I have a really nasty strain right here from boxing classes. We do a lot of high intensity HIIT workouts, cardio workouts, boxing, kickboxing, blah, blah, blah. That's not the point, but what the point is that I get so beat up my legs, squats, that I just literally sit and watch TV and I just start literally massaging it out here. We'll give you guys a couple examples here, but I do want to show it to you obviously a little closer, and it comes with a really sweet box. Just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is gonna be this exact same one I've been using. You guys in the UK, if they sell one in the UK, I will have you guys linked as well. If not, one very similar to it, but you guys in the US, UK, your links are below. So let's head on over here. Let me show you what we got. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's go ahead and put this out of the way. We're gonna get to that in just a split second, but let's see what we have inside of this cool case. It comes with a case, little pads on the bottom there. Really, really cool. Unlatches here, lifts up to a nice foam padding here. And it's pretty simple. We do have some attachments here. Let's go ahead and run that by you again. I've already taken it out. I've already been using it the last 2 weeks and love it. Here is an attachment right here, a little kind of prong fork here. Now this is something that I was kind of looking around here. This is the only attachment that is in the case with this little nook there right by my thumb. And that is definitely nice to keep it nice inside of the gun. I will get to a couple specifications of what I've been doing in the meantime here. Here is another little kind of an O-ring slip-on washer kind of ring type thing there. And let's see what else is over here. We have a Percussion small thumper right there, and that would literally, I mean, that would knock out your tennis elbow, but that's like not sharp, but that is for obviously pristine, you know, you could even do that on the temple of your head, etc. That will show you kind of the size of it there. And in this one is going to be a flat one, a thin flat one, and all of these do have little O-ring washers right on the side of them there as well. And then we have our power cable cord right here. Very nice. And our instructions that it came with, which are right here, tells you about the battery and charging it and whatnot, warranty card, different types of usages on your back, your legs, etc., and gives you a little bit of directions there. If I clearly didn't say it, U-shaped right here for head, spine, small round head for joint, small flat head for whole body, sphere head for muscle group. Really been enjoying this one. This one has been working out very well. To be honest with you, I have not tried the other ones yet. This one does the job completely fine for me. And here are some other specifications here. Now, when you charge it for the first time, they say to charge it for a full 6 hours. And there are LED indicator lights on the bottom of the battery pack. We're gonna get to that as well when it's fully charged or draining, etc. Here are the different power frequencies. You can go ahead and pause this. There's the weight of the unit there, but in first gear, 1500 RPM, 30 Hertz. Second gear, 1900. Third gear, 2200. Fourth gear, 2600. And fifth gear is 3100 RPM, 58 Hertz. That means there are 5 settings for the unit. So let's go ahead and get to that here. And here is the button. You push that button there, and it slides on out here. The battery is 2600 milliamp, 51.84 WH, and the voltage in is 24 1 amp. Of course, that is the US, and lithium ion batteries, as we can see there. Here is the on button there, and it is green to a little bit of yellow, and I'll get to that in just a second here because I've been using it obviously for 2 weeks. They say a runtime has about a runtime of 6 hours fully charged, but obviously it depends on your level of power. For obviously more power, less time overall. So there's a little notch right here that goes into the back of the unit there. Clicks in, make sure it clicks in as we heard it there. And then on this side here, we have our on and off button here. We have our frequencies, less or more here, and then our on and off switch here, and then our charging port there. It's a real nice unit, kind of a carbon fiber look to it here. really well made, sturdy. I'll show you a tip for what I actually did when I first started using it. We'll get to that in just a second here, but let's go ahead and turn it on here. That's gonna, again, click your power on. And then we're just gonna go ahead and click it on there. We see 3 LED lights. And then what I do is I've just gone on 2 and 3. I've never actually gone up to 4 and 5. Number 1, after my workouts, is a little too soft. I like number 2 and 3. But let me show you, here's 1. And it's kind of hard to see on camera. Actually, no, you can see that. 1 is lit up really well there. And we're just thumping away there. The camera's probably gonna go ballistic with that. That is number 1. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. And here's number 5, and that's just going crazy. So let's go ahead and hit that off there. 1, 2, 3, and I'll show you here. So this is what I do for my tennis elbow. I just go and I do this while I'm watching TV. I turn up the volume a little bit, but totally fine. This is not too loud, as you can tell. It's very close near my microphone. And I just give it a go. As you can see, my muscle is just thumping there. This thing is awesome. I do my biceps, I do my legs with it. These things are getting very, very popular. Let's go ahead and crank that off. These things are getting very popular, and I really, really like it because I can eliminate soreness and pound it out the night before, so I can go to the gym the next day and feel a lot better. So they tell you in the directions not to twist, and you're supposed to just pull the sucker out like that, as I just did. But I noticed when I was putting it straight in, I was having a little bit of an issue keeping it stuck in there. So as you can see here, here is the thumper here, which kind of goes in and out. So if it's in, I just pull it out like that. And then I try not to twist it too much because it says not to twist it, but you need this to get all the way inside here. So let me show you what I've been doing. I slightly twist it, and then what I do is I look at it, see we need a little bit more there. So it just kind of pushes in, and you want to seal in that seal kind of washer there. And then once that is good to go, then it just goes and goes and goes. So like I said, I've been using it for the last 2 weeks while I've been watching TV after the gym. And my green LED indicator light is turning a little bit less green than it normally is, but that's pretty green right there. Sometimes during use, when it knows that when it's draining a little bit more, it'll turn kind of a light yellow here. Let's go ahead and plug it on in for you guys, and let me show you what it looks like charging. Here we are charging here, and it's lighting up blue. And then I believe once it's fully done charging, I believe that will turn green. Yes, when it is fully charged, the green LED light will come on. It is not recommended for it to drain all the way with the lithium-ion batteries. It will turn red, and then you want to recharge it right away. But what's nice about it, the directions here, is it actually gives you usage methods, obviously right here for tennis elbow, and all these other different things. It kind of gives you the reps and how long you need to do it for. So that's actually really cool. Overall, guys, I have been, again, enjoying this tremendously. It's a wonderful product, doing a fantastic job. Great battery life on it as well. Again, look in the description box below for this exact same massage gun. You won't be disappointed with it. You guys, I'll leave these up to you to try these on your different areas of your sore muscles, etc. But I've really, like I said, been enjoying the round ball one there for my legs and tennis elbow. You guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you, made an informed decision, or to find out more information about these type of massage guns. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.